Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change location in dubizzle account. The first thing I want you to do is log into your dubizzle account, hover over your profile icon. Right here you get this drop down. From here I want you to click on my profile, and here on the left hand panel you'll actually see my addresses. I want you to click on that, and then you'll see your different addresses. By default it'll be set to your home address, and you have other addresses as well. So let's say we want to change this address, our home address. We'll click here on edit, and then we need to change our neighborhood because this one is actually required. The rest are completely optional. So we'll go ahead and use Majan right there in Dubai as our neighborhood, and then you can enter your building or street name, apartment or villa number, things like these to be more specific. So I'll use Paradise View, and of course if you want you can go ahead and change that pin location, make it more specific. You can go ahead and click and drag this. I'll just go ahead and save this for now. As you can see, we have now saved this. You just click here on proceed. Default address has been updated, and if you want you can set another one as your default address just by toggling this, and that will be set to default, your main address. But that is how to change your location in dubizzle account.